What up, YouTube? We got iKON Airplane. Here we go. Makes sense.
Show the airplane right away. Passenger lane.
Yo, what's with that frame rate, yo?
Really high.
High frame rate.
Starting out sweet. I wonder if this is like one of those ballads.
About a girl.
There it is.
They're having a good time. Look at them go. He's like, do you like me like I like you? Oh! You got a love triangle? Is that what we had? I don't know why, but I really like that. These are beautiful things.
Seems like a bunch of them do.
Yeah, phenomenal. Oh man, we've never been there, have we? We're remembering some things.
Does that bring back bitter memories for you as well?
No, I don't have anything. What? Go to her! Save her! Don't let her get on that airplane. Tell her how you feel!
iKON debut album. Welcome back.
Well, one thing I can say is after seeing Rhythm Ta, you know, that was a much more like quick-paced,
Yeah.
you know, catchy beat. This showed a completely different range of their vocal skills. Phenomenal
Different range of vocal
range.
skills. Completely different aspect of what they're about.
Yeah, absolutely.
Went from a rap song
to a ballad slash, you know, romance slash X Factor.
I didn't expect that.
I didn't.
Period.
I did not expect that, you know. I can say this. Well, I would say if you find yourself in that situation, yeah, it's tough and it's risky to, you know, open up to someone and share your true feelings, you know, with the hopes of them reciprocating. But at the end of the day, I think that it's worth the risk because they could just metaphorically get on a plane and go, and you know, your chances are lost. And you'll never know. You'll always be asking, what if? To me, I don't know. You know, I might differ from you guys, but I'd rather be rejected than always wonder what if. Because at least you know, well, I tried and she didn't feel the same way. I don't know, what do you think, Rob?
You know what? I really don't have any sympathy for him. I'm sorry. Yeah, there's that triangle for a reason, because there's obviously that line that's connected there, and then there's that dot that's like, hey, give me some attention. I want to be part of the attention here.
I hear you.
You know when you're a dot. Let's put it that way. You know when you're not, part of the couple. You know that. And we've had friends ourselves where they want to be the other one in that couple, and
they want to be the dot.
And they want to be the dot. No, they
want to be the dot.
They kind of like weasel themselves in. We've all had those friends. It bothers me to say that I've been one of them at one point. That was in middle school.
Gasp!
That was in middle school. Let's put that out there.
Okay, all right, middle school.
And
What would you say he should have done? This guy.
My whole take is realize a great friendship when it's a great friendship, and really just keep at it. Just keep that friendship as like freaking solid as you can.
So what you're saying is, if I may, what you're saying is, if you're in that triangle, you're going to know if you're more of the romantic side of that triangle or if you're more of just the friend zone side. And if you feel like more of the friend zone side, don't transpass.
Don't ruin it.
Don't ruin it, because you're just a friend. You're getting those friend zone vibes for a reason. Is that what you're saying?
Mm-hmm.
You heard it here first. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the suggestion.
Bye.
See ya.